it seems to be a little weakening as expected. I think you had. Is there any more actions contemplated? And also, can you give us an update on the Banking Act that you are planning to bring? I think there's a new Banking Act or revisions, and also the new Monetary Law Act. What's the status there? You're supposed to. You think that they are.
Those are the Banking Act, Central Banking Act. All are the reforms that we basically have been planning, and that is part of the program as well. So we have commitments to deliver. One is the central banking law. Other one is to bring in Banking Act with new provisions. All these things are part of that. I think we are working, and I think draft stage some of the laws have already been drafted, and we are basically seeking expert views on this and sharing the legal draftment, and some are at different stages. I think if Mrs. Fernando can comment on bank sector reforms, please. Yeah.
On the Banking Act, we had almost done a kind of an amendment, new act, but again we have to do a little bit more consultation also there, because we want to expand on the resolution area. So that is happening now. Again, as Governor said, it's also part of the policy package that we have to kind of implement. Most probably during the course of next year, we are expected to finalize it, going to the cabinet, going through the consultation process, and also getting the parliament approved. Currently, because of the concessions and moratorium that has been in place, we have not had the kind of proper assessment of the banking system. So there is an effort to do a diagnostic study, especially on the big banks, that is the large banks. And after that study, we will be doing an assessment. And based on that assessment, if there is capital requirements needed, we have to go for the recapitalization also. As of now, we have allowed the banks to use their capital buffers and also to stagger certain impacts to the balance sheets because of the sudden impact due to the interest rate changes. So those facilitations have been already provided. And on an ongoing basis also, we will be monitoring whatever the changes that are going to happen in the interest rates and also the market developments. Wherever needed, some facilitations will be provided, while this diagnostic study will also happen, and based on the final outcome, capitalizations also will take place.